Have you ever said something in English and the other person just looked confused? You know you used the right words. Your grammar was fine, but something still sounded off. Today, we're going to fix 5 everyday mistakes that learners get wrong all the time, and I want you to say them out loud with me. These are phrases that English learners use every day, but most of them say them in a way that natives wouldn't. First, I'll say the common mistake. Then I'll pause a little so you can try fixing it yourself. Then I'll give you the natural version. Ready? Let's get started. Here's the first one. Many learners say, I am agree with you. But in English, agree is a verb. You don't need am. The natural way to say it is simply I agree. Or if you're talking about someone's opinion, I agree with you. Try it again. I agree. Next one. You're confused in class and you want the teacher to help. You might say, can you explain me this? Almost. In English, you don't explain a person. You explain something to a person. So the correct version is, can you explain this to me? This one's one of the most common mistakes I hear. When someone asks your age, you might say, I have 25 years. In many languages, you have years, such as French and Spanish. But in English, you are a certain age. The natural way is, I am 25 years old, or simply, I'm 25. Now you try. I'm 25. Number 4. He suggested me to go early. This one trips up a lot of learners. Instead, we say, he suggested that I go early. And the last one, you want to say something that you're not aware of. You might say, I didn't knew about that. Here's the rule. When you use didn't, the verb that follows stays in its base form. So you say, I didn't know about that. These phrases may seem small, but fixing them will make your English sound so much more natural. The key is practice, not just watching, but actually saying them out loud. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. And let me know in the comments, which of these 5 mistakes did you used to make? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.